how we know that any given number that is the perfect square number or not? There is the two methods. First method is the by prime factorization. First method by prime factorization, or another method is the last digit of given number. That means in first method we have to find out the prime factorization of the given number. Then we will make the pairs of the similar digits. Pairs should be the proper. And another method is by seeing only we can say find out whether that is the perfect square or not. Let's learn about the first method. Suppose 256 is given. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the prime factorization of 256. It will divide by 2, 2 1 the 2, and 2 to the 4, 1, and 6, 16, 2 8 the 16, 2 6 the 12, 2 4 the 8, 2 3 the 6, 2 2 the 4. In that, by dividing we are writing only quotient. And others subtraction process by heart they have to learn. 2 1 the 2, 1 will be here remainder, and 2 6 the 12, 2 8 the, now 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2. So let's see, 256 we can write like that. 2 into 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. After factorization we have to make the pairs of the similar digits. Now see, here all the pairs are properly made. That's why 256 is a perfect square. Perfect square number. One more example is we are going to see. Suppose 168 number is given. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the prime factorization of 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2. It will divide by 3, then 7 over. It will come 168. Their prime factorization 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. Now they are going to make the pairs similar digits. This one pair, 2 is alone, 3 also alone, 7 also. Here the 3 digits are unpaired. That's why 168 is not perfect square number. Not a perfect square number. Now let us see the another method to find out. Without calculation of the prime factorization, we can see only last, we have to see the last digits also given. For that we know the squares of 1. Squares of 1 is the 1, squares of 2 is the 4, squares of 3 is the 9, squares of 4 is 16, squares of 5 is equal to 25, square of 6 is equal to 36, square of 7 is equal to 49, square of 8 is equal to 64, square of 9 is equal to 81, square of 10 is equal to 100, square of 11 is equal to 121, square of 12 is equal to 144, square of 13 is equal to 169, square of 14 is equal to 196, square of 15 is equal to 225, square of 16 is equal to 256, square of 20 is equal to 400, square of 21 is equal to 441. These are the perfect square number. Now see, in the perfect square number, the last digit of the perfect square 1 is there, but see, there is no 2 in the first place digit in the perfect square number. These are the perfect square number. In that 2 is not there. That means if last digit of given number is 2. Now see, 2 is not there. In any perfect square number, 2 is not there. Now see, the 3 also is not there in that series. 3 also is not there. 4 is there in the square of 2 also, and the square of 12, square of 22. Any, the 4 also is there. 5 also is there. 6 also is there. Now see, 7 is not there. And 8 also is not there. 8 also is not there. If the last digit of the given numbers are 1, 2, 3, 7 or 8, that means then the given number will be not perfect square number. Not perfect square number. That means we can say in Hindi, अगर लास्ट में जो डिजिट्स है 2, 3, 7 और 8 है किसी भी नंबर्स का, not only the small digit, any numbers is given. If last digit is 8 or 7 or 3 or 2, any given number, that no need to find out to prime factorization of the last number. While seeing the last digit, ones place digit, we can find out that is the perfect square or not. Now one more, if the last digit is 0, here is some condition in 0. If 0 in pair, then it will be perfect square. But if 0 is present or that 0 is unpaired, if 0 will unpaired, then the given number should be the not perfect square. For example, 10 is the not perfect square, 1000 is the not perfect square, it is not perfect square. Why? Because in the last 0, in all the cases 0 are there in the unit place, but ये 0 जो है वो पेयर में नहीं है. Here पेयरिंग है बट लास्ट में अनपेयर्ड हो गया. यहाँ पे देखेंगे 2 पेयर है बट लास्ट में अनपेयर्ड हो गया. तो नंबर ऑफ द जीरोस लास्ट में अगर ऑड नंबर्स में है तो वो नंबर आपका जो है नॉट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. इसके कंपेयर में अगर आप देखेंगे लाइक 100, लाइक 10,000, these are the perfect square, क्योंकि इसमें जो जीरो है वो पेयर के फॉर्म में. अगर जीरो लास्ट में पेयर के फॉर्म में है तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. अगर वो अनपेयर्ड है दैट मींस द इवन नंबर में है तो इज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. और ऑड नंबर में अगर उनकी क्वांटिटी है जीरो की तो वो नॉट